Avocados have gained immense popularity in recent years, not only for their creamy texture and delicious flavor but also for their numerous health benefits. Often referred to as a superfood, avocados are rich in essential nutrients and healthy fats. But what happens to a woman's body if she incorporates avocados into her diet for 1 week? In this article, we will explore the various effects of consuming avocados daily for a week, focusing on nutritional benefits, health improvements, and potential changes in overall well-being. Nutritional profile of avocado. Before delving into the effects of consuming avocados, it's essential to understand what makes them so nutritious. A typical medium-sized avocado, about 150 grams, contains calories, approximately 240 fat, 22 grams of which 15 grams are monounsaturated fats, carbohydrates, 12 grams fiber, 10 grams protein, 3 grams vitamins, rich in vitamin C, E, K, and several B vitamins including folate minerals, contains potassium, magnesium, and copper. This nutrient-dense profile contributes to various health benefits, making avocados an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Day 1. Introduction of healthy fats. On the first day of adding avocados to her diet, a woman may experience a variety of sensations and changes. The introduction of healthy monounsaturated fats can help her feel more satiated after meals. This is significant because healthy fats play a crucial role in hormone production, nutrient absorption, and overall energy levels. Avocados can also help stabilize blood sugar levels, allowing for a steady release of energy throughout the day. This can be particularly beneficial for women who experience energy crashes after meals high in refined carbohydrates. The fiber content in avocados can aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, potentially leading to reduced snacking later in the day. Day 2. Improved digestion. By the second day, the fiber content in avocados may start to have a noticeable impact on digestion. Avocados contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to promote healthy bowel movements. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. Women may notice a decrease in bloating and improved regularity in their bowel movements. The healthy fats in avocados also contribute to better digestion, as they can help break down fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K and enhance nutrient absorption. Day 3. Enhanced nutrient absorption. On the third day of eating avocados, a woman may begin to notice improvements in her overall nutrient absorption. The healthy fats present in avocados can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. For example, if she eats a salad with avocados, she may absorb more nutrients from the vegetables, such as carotenoids found in carrots and leafy greens. Additionally, the combination of fiber and healthy fats in avocados can promote a more balanced gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in overall health. A healthy gut can enhance nutrient absorption and support immune function, leading to improved energy levels and overall vitality. Day 4. Heart health benefits. By the fourth day, the cardiovascular benefits of consuming avocados may become more apparent. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are known to help lower bad cholesterol levels (LDL) while raising good cholesterol levels (HDL). This can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease and improved overall heart health. Women may begin to notice lower blood pressure levels as well, thanks to the potassium content in avocados. Potassium is essential for regulating blood pressure and maintaining healthy heart function. Additionally, the antioxidants found in avocados, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, further supporting heart health. Day 5. Boosted mood and mental clarity. On the fifth day of incorporating avocados into her diet, a woman may experience improved mood and cognitive function. Avocados contain several nutrients that support brain health, including healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. The omega-3 fatty acids found in avocados can help improve cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Furthermore, the fiber in avocados helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can contribute to stable energy and mood throughout the day. Women may find themselves feeling more focused, energized, and less prone to mood swings. Day 6, Healthy Skin and Hair. By the 6th day, the skin and hair benefits of avocados may start to manifest. The healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants in avocados can help nourish the skin from the inside out. The monounsaturated fats provide hydration and improve skin elasticity, while vitamins C and E contribute to skin repair and protection against environmental damage. Women may notice that their skin appears more radiant and healthy, with improved texture and hydration. Additionally, the nutrients in avocados can promote healthy hair growth and shine, reducing dryness and brittleness. Day 7, Overall well-being and satisfaction. By the end of the week, a woman who has eaten avocados daily may feel a profound sense of overall well-being. The combination of improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, heart health benefits, and positive effects on mood and skin can contribute to a more balanced and vibrant lifestyle. Furthermore, the satiety provided by avocados may lead to healthier eating habits, as she may be less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or processed foods. This can set the foundation for long-term healthy eating and lifestyle choices. Conclusion: incorporating avocados into a woman's diet for 1 week can yield numerous health benefits. From improved digestion to enhanced heart health and better skin, the effects of eating avocados are both immediate and long-lasting. Their nutrient-dense profile, rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, makes avocados a valuable addition to any balanced diet. While this article highlights the benefits of eating avocados for 1 week, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Avocados are calorie-dense, so balancing them with other nutrient-rich foods is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet. Overall, making avocados a regular part of a woman's diet can lead to improved health outcomes and a greater sense of well-being.